You've just performed a repair where you've disconnected the negative battery cable. You've done the repair, and now the customer is back after taking hold of the vehicle, and they're complaining that their ABS and stability control lights are on. What did you do? We're going to find out next.
This video is brought to you by Standard, manufacturer and distributor of engine management products for over 95 years. Visit standardbrand.com for more information.
When you pulled that vehicle out of the bay and into its parking spot, chances are the stability or ABS control light probably did not come on. What happened? Well, once they started driving down the road, it saw a steering angle sensor that had a strange value. It could have been from when the wheels were tilted before the repair, and now the vehicle is going straight. The yaw and lateral accelerometers are seeing that it's going in a straight line, but they see the wheel turned. So it's going to turn on the stability control light because it sees an implausible angle from the steering angle sensor. What should have been done? Well, you're going to need to reset and recalibrate the steering angle sensor on that vehicle. This should have been done with the repair. On some vehicles, well, it's a self-learn. You're going to have to go for a little bit of a test drive to make sure that the data matches what's on the sensor. In some cases, it's a full relearn procedure. You're going to need a scan tool, and you're going to need to turn the wheel in one direction lock, to lock, and then maybe go for a test drive. On some vehicles, you're going to have to do an extra procedure. This is typically on vehicles with electric power steering. The rack has to learn the end stops. This is going to be an extra step on the scan tool. If you don't do this, well, you could damage the electric power steering rack. So before you send that vehicle on its way, make sure the steering angle sensor is reading the right angle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.